Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make chop suey today. Friends, if you would like to make this chop suey vegetarian, then please skip the shrimp and the chicken and substitute the chicken broth with veggie. Over here I have got 2 pounds of chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, washed and drained very well. Let's quickly see how to cut chicken breast. Friends, I'll be using a glass plate to cut the chicken breast. I use my chopping board only for veggies and fruits. This avoids contamination. Cut the chicken breast into half lengthwise. Cut slices holding the chicken breast in your non-dominant hand and curl your fingertips under your knuckles. Use long, even strokes to slice the chicken breast diagonally into bite-sized pieces. Let's move on to the recipe now. Marinate 2 pounds of chicken breast with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, and 1 egg beaten. Mix everything well and set it aside. Next step is to chop all the veggies. Chop half an onion into bite-sized pieces. Now separate the layers. Next, chop 7 to 8 pieces of garlic cloves. Chop quarter onion finely. Chop a pound of mushrooms into quarters, optional. Chop bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Chop the green onions. Cut 1 large carrot. Last, chop half a cup of cabbage. Okay friends, veggies are chopped. Let's move on to the next step. For chop suey, we have to deep fry the noodles. But before that, prepare the noodles by soaking them in very hot water for 5 to 6 minutes. Add little salt in the water if you want. You can use hakka or egg noodles. Please do not boil the noodles. This will make them soggy and will take double the time to crisp them up while frying. The noodles are soaked. Separate them with a spoon or a fork. After separating the noodles, transfer them to a strainer. Make sure the noodles are separated. Set them aside. Now let's make the soup. In a preheated pot on medium-high heat, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons full of oil. When the oil is hot, add in chopped garlic and green chili, optional. Friends, if you like, you can add chopped ginger too now. Saute until the garlic becomes soft. Now add in the chopped onion. Saute for a minute. Add in the mushrooms. Saute the mushrooms for 2 minutes. Over here I have got 2 tablespoons of hot and sweet sauce and 4 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. Now add in 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Give it a mix. Cook this until it starts simmering. Now add in 2 cups of chicken or veggie stock and 2 cups of water. Add salt to taste. I won't be adding any salt because the stock already had salt in it. Bring this to a boil. Meanwhile, mix 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with quarter cup of water and set it aside. Soup is boiling. Add in the carrots. Cook for a minute. Please do not overcook the carrots. Add in quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a mix. Now add in the cornstarch and water mixture while stirring continuously. Cook until the soup thickens up. It should coat the spoon lightly like this. Now add in the bite-sized onions, bell peppers, and chopped cabbage. Give it a mix. Add in little green onions. Now add in 1 pound of cooked shrimp in the soup. Simmer just for a minute. Soup is ready. Switch off the flame and move the pot away from heat. We do not want to overcook the veggies and the shrimp. Next step is frying the chicken. Preheat oil on medium-high heat. Make sure the oil is hot before adding in the chicken. Fry just for a minute on each side. Please do not over fry the chicken. Chicken is fried. Remove the chicken from oil and set it aside. Okay friends, done frying all the chicken. The chicken is very juicy. The final step of this recipe is to fry the soaked noodles. Preheat no more than half a pot of oil on medium-high heat. Add in the soaked noodles little at a time. Friends, please be very careful while adding the noodles in hot oil. Add very little noodles at a time. If you add too many noodles at once, the volume of bubbles could cause the oil to rise up and over the sides of the pot. If you want the noodles to be in the form of a nest, then please do not stir it. I want the noodles to be separated, so I'll continue to stir them while frying. Noodles are crispy. Drain excess oil and transfer them on to a paper towel. Spread on a plate. Crispy noodles are ready. Last step is frying eggs. Preheat a pan. Add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add in little salt. When the oil is hot, add in the egg. Tilt the pan slightly to one side and repeatedly spoon the hot oil over the egg. Let's plate the chop suey now. Place the fried noodles in a serving platter. Top it with fried chicken and then the hot soup. Last, top it with fried egg. Sprinkle little green onions. American chop suey is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.